The girls look forward to the garden. They look forward to the cucumbers coming through. We've had tomatoes come through and they've loved the tomatoes. The staff loves them. When we have lettuce come through, they love the lettuce. The kids love it, and I always mark them with this school garden. And usually every lunch we have to reload because they take them, they love them. This is what we put on the bowl, right next to the bowl for the lettuce, so the kids see it. And with Diana doing the classes, the little 6th graders see this, and they will take the lettuce. If there's radishes that they grow, the radishes will go in a little bowl, I'll wash them, and I'll put school garden on it. The kids that have seen the radishes and that have pulled them will probably take them, and they like them. They can get a pizza or they can get a sub, and they can get a side salad on that with it, and they can get cucumbers with it, and it fills them up to the end of the day. I know because they just go for it, and when it's gone, I know they like them. But when I run out and I start using the other kind from food service, they don't go. So I know that they know the difference.